Hello friends, Standard 12 Chemistry Unit 10 Haloalkanes and Haloarenes Part 10. Today we are going to learn elimination reaction. First of all, let's see example. Is haloalkane. This carbon is said to be as alpha carbon because this carbon is directly bonded to halogen atom, so it is said to be as alpha carbon, and carbon atom is next to alpha carbon, it is said to be as beta carbon. This haloalkane is heated with alcoholic KOH. There is elimination of hydrogen atom from beta carbon and halogen atom is eliminated from alpha carbon. Alkene is formed. Alkene is formed and this HX halic acid. Let's see the example. It is called ethyl chloride CH3 CH2 Cl. This is called ethyl chloride heated with alcoholic KOH. This is very most important, alcoholic KOH. This is said to be as alpha carbon and this is said to be as beta carbon. Elimination of hydrogen atom from beta carbon and elimination of chlorine atom from alpha carbon. We get here alkene as ethene and another product hydrochloric acid. So this single bond is converted to double bond. Okay, suppose here if we used aqueous potassium hydroxide, aqueous potassium hydroxide, we get CH3 CH2 OH, means ethanol is formed. That means here hydrolysis processes undergo and another product, that is KCl, is formed. So that's why alcoholic KOH is very most important for elimination reaction. If we used aqueous potassium hydroxide, the product is formed, that is alcohol, because the hydrolysis processes is undergo, and this the elimination reaction. Okay, so medium is very most important. In short, here haloalkane with beta hydrogen atom, beta hydrogen atom is heated with alcoholic KOH. There is elimination of hydrogen atom from beta carbon atom and halogen atom from alpha carbon. As a result, alkene is formed. Here in this case only one beta carbon atom is present. But what about when more than one or two beta carbon is present? Which type of product is formed? Let's see. For example, here CH3 CH Br CH2 CH3 1 2 3 4 2 bromo butane. Okay, this carbon is said to be as alpha carbon because this carbon is directly bonded to halogen atom, bromine atom. Okay, here alpha carbon atom is directly bonded to halogen atom, and beta carbon atom is next to alpha carbon atom. So in this case, this is said to be as beta carbon and this carbon is said to be also as beta carbon. Okay, so here we have two beta carbon atom. Now which type of product is formed? It follows Zaitsev rule. Alkene with least number of hydrogen atom on double bonded carbon atom are preferred product. That means here in dehydrohalogenation reaction, the preferred product, that alkene which has greater number of alkyl group attached to doubly bonded carbon atoms. Let's see here in this example 2 bromo butane. Here this beta carbon has less number of hydrogen atom, and this beta carbon has more number of hydrogen atom. Okay, first of all, let's see the elimination of hydrogen atom from first carbon. Okay, so from here one hydrogen atom is eliminated, and this single bond is converted to double bond CH2 double bond CH. Okay, then after this bromine atom is eliminated, and which is attached with hydrogen atom, and the product is formed hydrogen bromide. Then after it remains same. So this product is formed is but 1N. Here we have another beta carbon. So another product will be formed. Here in this case, on third carbon atom, hydrogen atom is eliminated. It remains same, CH double bond CH and CH3. Okay, so here 1 2 3 and 4, but 2 in. So now we have two product. Number 1 but 1 in and but 2 in. Which one is major or which one is minor? How can you distinguish either this is major or minor? Only checked the more number of hydrogen atom, it is said to be as minor product. So this will be our minor product, and this will be our major product, because this beta carbon has less number of hydrogen atom. Okay, you have only checked which has less number of hydrogen atom. Now let's see another example. CH3 CH2 CH2 CH Cl Cl. Here it is said to be as 2 chloro 1 2 3 4 5 2 chloro pentane. Now elimination reaction, we have this alpha carbon and next to beta carbon. So in this case this has lesser number of hydrogen atom, and first beta carbon has more number of hydrogen atom. First of all, let's eliminate hydrogen atom from first beta carbon atom, and the product is formed CH3 CH2 CH2 CH double bond here CH2. Okay, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Product is formed pent 1 in. Why 1 in? Because on first carb position double bond is present, that's why pent 1 in. Now let's eliminate hydrogen atom from third beta carbon. The product is formed CH2. Now CH double bond CH, this Cl will be eliminated and CH3. 1 2 3 4 5 pent 2 in. This carbon has less number of hydrogen atom, more number of hydrogen atom, more number of hydrogen atom, that means it is said to be as minor product. So here in this case pent 1 in will be minor product and pent 2 in will be major product. Okay friends, next time we will discuss another topic. Thank you very much.